Good afternoon, students. So, today in our English lesson, English online session, we have learned the new topic of grammar. The name of the topic is a holiday scene. So, students, what we learned today? We learned today that how to observe a picture, and by observing the picture, we can make our own sentences. Here in this activity, they have told us to look at the picture, and by looking at the picture, we can use the words which are given, and from that words we can make our own sentences. So first, we'll see what is there in the picture. So here in the picture, what we can see? Here in the picture, we can see that there is green grass and green trees everywhere. So everywhere there is greenery, as the grass is also green and the trees are also green. Now here what we can see? We can see that there is one cottage. We can see that there is one cottage, and the cottage is very beautiful and it is very colorful. We can also see that there are two children. And what these two children means, what these two boys are doing, these two boys are playing cricket. These two boys are playing cricket. One boy is doing batting and the other boy is doing bowling. So both the boys are playing the game called as cricket. Now we can see one lady is there here. Yes, what this lady is doing in the picture? This lady is standing and she is looking after the children. This lady is standing and she is looking after the children. That the children are playing and she is looking after them and she is taking care of them. Now here we can see one girl in pink frock. Now what this girl in pink frock is doing? The girl is skipping a rope. The girl is skipping a rope. And right behind the girl there is another girl. She is wearing one red frock and blue skirt. She is wearing one red t-shirt and one blue skirt. So what this girl is doing? This girl is playing a swing. The girl is playing on the swing. So here we have seen what is there. This is one big green lawn. It is one lawn, and in that lawn the children are playing different types of games. One is playing cricket, the other is playing on the swing, and the one girl is playing on the girl is playing a skipping rope. There is also one beautiful colorful cottage, and here near the lawn we can see that there is one big road. What we can see? Near the lawn there is one big road, and on that big road we can see that there are the cars moving. The cars are moving. The car is of red color. And what else we can see? We can see that there are beautiful soft clouds. The sky is of blue color, and the whole garden, the whole lawn and the trees are of green color. So students, with the help of this picture, we have written the 5 sentences. We have made the 5 sentences as I have told you and explained it to you. So we'll see the first one. What we'll see? We'll see the first sentence. Number 1. The cottage is very beautiful. The cottage is very beautiful. Number 2. The children are playing cricket. The children are playing cricket. Number 3. The girl is skipping with a rope. The girl is skipping with a rope. Number 4. The girl in red frock is playing on a swing. The girl in red frock is playing on a swing. Number 5. The lady is watching the children in the lawn. The lady is watching the children in the lawn. So this was the first activity. Second activity which we saw, second topic which we learned, this, that, these and those. In this topic what we learned, children? We learned that what is the meaning of this, that, these and those. When we are going to use the words this, that, this and those, we will use the words this, that, this and those when the things are near or when sometimes the things are far. So let us learn deeply when the word this this is used. We use the word this this when the thing is near to us. We use the word this when the things are near to us, and also when there is only one thing. When the only one thing is near to us, that time we are going to use the word this this. And when we use thet that, we use the word thet that when one thing is very far from us. We use this when one thing is near us, and we use that when one thing is far from us. So number one example, what is this? This is a telephone. What is this? This is a telephone. That. What is that? That is a truck. So when we will use this? We will use this when the thing is near us. And when we are going to use that? We are going to use that when the thing is very far from us. Next, when we are going to use these, these, we are going to use these when many things, when more than one or many things are near us. When more than one thing is near us, that time we are going to use these, these. So, what is these? These are folks. How many folks we can see here? We can see that there are 3 folks. They are near us. That's why we are going to use these. Next, those. Now when we are going to use those, we are going to use those when 2 or more things are very far from us. When 2 or more things are very far from us, that time we are going to use those. So when we will use this, this this, when one thing is near us, that time we will use this this. When one thing is far from us, that time we are going to use as thet that. When many things are near us, when many things are near us, that time we are going to use these, these. When many things are far from us, that time we are going to use those, those. So students, you have to learn the difference between these, this this and these these. These both words are different. So today we have learned that how to observe the picture and how to make sentences on that, and other we have learned that what is these, that, these and those, when we are going to use these, that, these and those. So complete the worksheet. Those who have did not complete it when I was teaching, when I was showing you, you can complete it from the WhatsApp, and those who have complete, you can learn the difference between these, that, these and those. So we will meet in the next online session. Thank you.